Hello, I'm Katie, and this is my tree project that I'm going to present. For the introduction, we had to pick 2 trees on campus and find their numbers and what kind of trees they are. And then we had to make a hypothesis on what we thought for changing colors. And so my hypothesis was of the leaves. And for the hypothesis, I chose if the tree is smaller, then I predict it will change colors and lose its leaves faster than the bigger tree, just because it has more leaves to have to go through the color process and then fall off. So we had to take a picture every week and decide what leaf stage they were at on the scale. And this is the scale, and green, yellow, orange, red, black. And we had to look at that and decide what color the leaves were at that week. So the trees that I did was 1841, and that was the bigger tree of the 2 trees I chose when you look at the pictures. And then the common name is the American elm species, and then the species is the Americana. And then tree 1843 was the smaller one that you'll see, and the common name is the Amur maple, and then the species is the Janala. And then they're both located next to the football field in Winona-Cook. I visited them every week, starting from September 1st to October 2nd. And now we're going to look at the pictures from every week. And so week 1, September 1st, it looks like the leaves were dark green, which was a level 1. And the other tree was a light green and yellow, and there's quite a bit of yellow, which was a 2 to 3. And then for week 2, September 8th, there was quite a bit more yellow, but it's still light green, so I did light green with more yellow, 2 to 3. And then now this it's still green, which was level 1. And then week 3, September 14th, this is still getting a lot more yellow, but it's still light green, so I did 2 to 3 for a level. And then it's getting lighter. There's maybe some yellow coming in, but it's mainly light green, so I did level 2. Week 4, September 21st, was yellow-green. It's starting to get there. There's some yellow right there, but it's still pretty green, so I did 2 to 3 for the level. And then this one, it still has a bunch of yellow growing in there, but it's still green, so I did yellow-green 2 to 3. And for week 5, September 28th, I did light green and yellow. There's a bunch of yellow growing in there, so 2 to 3. And then light green and yellow. It's harder to see because it's in the shade, but still getting there. And then week 6, October 4th, this tree's pretty yellow by now. And this one's actually becoming orange-red. And then week 7, October 12th, this one's really yellow now. Not orange though, just yellow. And then this one's a flame red with orange, so I did level 5 and 6. And then week 8, it snowed, and so now the leaves are gonna dry up and die soon. But I still said it would probably be yellow, and then dark red is what you could tell by looking at it now. But soon they're going to die off because winter came kind of early. Not early for South Dakota, but... And then week 9, October 26th, now it's orange-red, mainly because it snowed, and so it's getting ready to hibernate, I guess. And then this one's purple and red because there's not that many leaves on it, and so to start with, and so it's basically dead. And yeah, so this is dried brownish yellow. It's a weird color because the leaves, the tree from the snow. And then this is red, brown, black, and there's not very many trees or many leaves left on it. And that was the last week for week 10, November 2nd, that I recorded. So based on those images, we can make a conclusion that, yes, my hypothesis was supported by the results. The smaller tree's leaves changed faster and fell off quicker than the bigger tree because there was still quite a bit of leaves, since it's a big tree, left on the tree, and there's not very many left on the little one. So yeah, that is my tree project. Thank you for watching.